Hola amigos, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a rich, delicious drink called Café de Olla. This is packed with flavor, and if you need a little pick-me-up or just in the morning, try making Café de Olla. So these are the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of water, you'll need cinnamon, you'll need cloves, you'll need star of anise, you'll need coffee, and you'll need piloncillo. Piloncillo is an unrefined sugar typically used for making Café de Olla. If you can't find piloncillo, you can use brown sugar, but I highly recommend making sure that you find piloncillo. You're ready to begin. Go ahead and bring your water over, 4 cups of water into your earthen pot, and then place in your cinnamon, and then you're ready to bring in your cloves and your star of anise. You can use a regular pot, but I highly recommend if you have an earthen vessel pot just like this, it brings a great flavor. The last bit is to put your piloncillo in and then just wait until it begins to dissolve. It'll take about 10 minutes. So we're done and it started to boil. So we're going to go ahead and add our coffee in, and we add 2 heaping spoonfuls of coffee, and we're going to mix it and allow this to sit, and we're going to allow this to sit and steep for 4 minutes, and we're going to turn the flame off, and it's just about ready. The smell is amazing. So we're ready. The coffee has steamed through, and we're going to go ahead and strain it. I'm going to double strain this, so I'm going to put it here over this strainer, pour it into my coffee pot, and then I'm going to double strain my coffee. Time to enjoy a great cup of Café de Olla. Let's see how this tastes. The flavor is delicious and rich. Enjoy making Café de Olla. Another way to prepare your coffee, Café de Olla, is an iced coffee. So go ahead and place ice and place your milk inside. And then go ahead and place your coffee over. This is a great alternative for Café de Olla. And enjoy a great iced coffee, Café de Olla. Delicious.